After a power cut, an oven may not work due to several common reasons. A tripped circuit breaker is one possible cause, often resulting from a power surge. Another reason is a blown thermal fuse, which is a standard component in all ovens that trips when the oven overheats or experiences an electrical current overflow. If the thermal fuse blows, the oven will not function. Electric control board problems can also occur, where damage to one of the components prevents the oven from powering up, often caused by burning or melting during the power cut. To troubleshoot these issues, start by checking and resetting the circuit breaker. Locate the electrical panel. Flip the switch off and then back on if it has been flipped. If the thermal fuse is damaged, consider replacing it or hiring a professional to do so. For control board problems, ensure the oven is powered off. Disassemble it to reach the control board. Disconnect the current board and install a new one before reassembling the oven. By following these steps, identifying and resolving the common reasons for an oven not working after a power cut can be a straightforward process.